Hey guys, this is Tony with New Image Auto Imports in Kannapolis, North Carolina. Today I'm bringing you a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Sport. This is a one owner, has right around 63,000 miles on it. Cool thing about this one, 8-speed automatic transmission, does have a rough country lift kit. I think it's about a 2.5-inch lift on this one, sitting on 35-inch Nittos XD series upgraded wheels. Soft top, gunmetal gray with black interior. Nice looking Jeep. I always like the 2 doors. 4 doors are great for more space, but these 2 doors just look tough. Paint on this thing is in really nice shape. Soft top's really nice. Matching spare tire. If you've never driven one of these with the 8-speed, you're going to be impressed, definitely over the previous generations. Even with a lift kit, these feel like they have quite a bit of power. Old school with the manual crank windows. Interior is in really nice shape. This is smoke-free, pet-free. This does have remote start, aftermarket remote start on it. But if you're looking for a really clean one-owner Jeep, already lifted so you don't have to do the work, stop by 1600 North Main Street. Come take this one for a test drive. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you for watching.